All right, we're riding from Casuarina north to Kingscliff. Haven't done it before, got no idea, but we'll follow it. And that goes through to the beach, and this goes all the way. So we're probably not going to be able to show you the beach because it's all through the mangroves there. So sucks if you bought a house. $3.5 million for the houses along here. Well, for a fancy pantsy one, that's just on the left there. And yeah, so, and you don't even get a view of the beach. So that sucks. Don't know why anyone would buy here. It's very nice, but yeah, I wouldn't pay that sort of coin unless I was getting a kick-ass view of the beach. And it's all built on sand. All these developments, it's all on sand as well. All the housing, everything. Thank you. And riding with me today is Phil. You know Phil. There he goes. And I've got a real crappy bike mount today, but we'll see if we can get anything decent out of it. I swear I got better footage at Threadbow when I strapped the GoPro to the handlebars with electrical tape. So that worked a treat. So maybe this thing flapping around in the breeze at the end of a dodgy handlebar mount. We'll see. Anyway, if you don't know where we are, we're at Casuarina, which is past Byron Bay, up the, it's almost to the New South Wales Queensland border. So we're not quite in Queensland, but we're on the New South Wales coast, east coast of course, because there's only one coast in New South Wales. And we are, yeah, we're headed from Casuarina to Kingscliff. Apparently this cycle path goes all the way, but we'll see. So, oh, Phil, you want to check out the beach? We can check out the beach for you. And yeah, so all these houses here, check them out, right? So that's probably, you know, $2.5 million or something. Depends, you know, it can go over, well over 3, depending on how it's fitted out internally. But how about we go through? Just have a squiz. Let's go through, check out the beach. We have not seen the beach yet, have we, Phil?
No.
So, but yeah, all the way along here for like, I don't know, 5 kilometers or something. It's all just mangroves between the any road, so you can't like do a coastal drive along here. And the coastal bike ride, I presume there's going to be very little in the way of view of the ocean, which kind of sucks. But anyway, if you don't know, the New South Wales coast, huge state of New South Wales. Is it bigger than Texas? No, Western Australia would be bigger than Texas. Yeah, all right. But bloody big state, New South Wales. And all the way along the coast is just gorgeous beaches, like no doubt this one is. And all the way along. So, oh yeah, bit of wind, but yep, that's a typical New South Wales beach. Stretches as far as the eye can see. Look at that. Well, not quite. This one's only about 3 k's long or something, 4 k's long. So there you go. Beautiful. Have to go for a swim later, Phil.
The patrol's down there. So
yes. Yeah. So if you want to go for a swim, you go between the flags. You don't be a dickhead. Are we surfing up here, Phil?
Haven't organised anything yet, but that's the plan.
Right, alright. Might do some surfing while we're up here. We'll see. So that was South Kingscliff Beach. We didn't actually start right down that Casuarina. Sort of, I think we're staying in North Casuarina. Let's catch up with Phil. So yeah, I do believe we have a path which goes the entire length of, oh, for sale, we can buy that. So they've done well on the path though. It's big and wide, it's lit, so you can cycle, walk or run along here at night. Yeah, this camera's really shaking about. It's crazy. Oh, for sale. A lot of people are selling. They rent them out as Airbnbs, and well, if you didn't buy one of these 15 years ago, you're screwed. Because as I said, yeah, $3 million. Even some of the apartments would have views because they're higher up. So yeah, some of those go for like $3.5 million for an apartment. I'll show you. There you go. $3.5 million for, oh, another one for sale. See, so maybe they would have a view over the treetops there if you're on the upper floor there. So, but like a big 4-bedroom massive apartment will be $3.5 million, which is nuts. You don't even get your own land. Oh, vacant block of land there. Wow. All right. Construction. Oh, there you go. You don't see that very often. Aussie flag out the front of somebody's house there. There you go. Proud Aussie. Don't really see many Aussie flags out front of houses, Phil.
No, you don't.
Not like the US. So, yeah. But yeah, this is all, as I said, this is all just built on sand. As you can see, they've like, it's all sand here. And they've just, and all the excavation is all just, it's all sand. So, yeah, good luck. I don't know what sort of foundations you have to put in for that. Big concrete piers, I presume. And then hope there's no water table there. Nice path, Phil, but,
That's a great path.
But there's no view. I want to beach it.
What's the point, really?
I know, yeah, exactly. It's almost what's the point. Yeah, totally agree. There's no way I'd pay millions of bucks for a beachside house like this and not have a view. It's like none of them have it. Maybe if you've got a 3-story place.
Maybe the appeal is you can hear
You can hear the ocean and get the constant sea breeze, which is kind of annoying actually. I'm sure that'd wear off pretty quick, right? More beach. Oh, there we go. I've got an ocean glimpse, Phil. Got a glimpse. Unbelievable. So taking bets on when the first break in the trees will come, but I wouldn't be surprised if we don't find it. Bridges going over, so when it rains they've got like a little creek here that would form, I'd imagine, and all this lovely grass here, it's all on sand somehow. I don't know. But yeah, they've got a resort there. So there you go, there's some resort thing. Looks like it's got a wedding venue. Beach weddings are popular here in Australia, of course, given that most of Australia is beach, because most people live on the coast. And oh, there's brush turkey there. Oh, Phil missed it. Phil, no, he missed it. He missed it. No, he's coming back. He's coming back. Look at this. We can almost ride out to it. Here we go. Whoa, not sure. Whoa, no, the camera. There you go. Swim within the flags, and that is a patrolled beach. Typical patrolled beach here in Australia. This beach would have 3 or 4 actual patrolled beaches, usually patrolled by volunteer surf lifesavers, and there they are down in their hut down in there. And yeah, you swim between the flags, and that the spot changes every day. Usually, it depends on the beach, but the spot for flags changes. They go out in the morning and they test where are all the rips that drag you out, and they will move the flag. So yeah, it varies, but this one just happens to be here. Maybe this is a good one that doesn't have only has mild rips. Is there a beach without a rip? Probably not. Nah. Gotta have a rip somewhere. But any surfers out there? Nah, doesn't look like it. So this does not look like a surfing beach. So let's go. This camera's flapping around in the breeze. Is it? Yeah, it's a boom. We'll see how it goes. That looks like a wedding venue back there, like a function centre thing. Some people playing cricket out there. There you go, there's a playground. Playground is noted.
Maybe some of these top floor apartments will have a beach view there.
Oh yeah, I'm sure they do. I was saying before that I think I saw one at 3.7 million for a 4-bedroom apartment. Yeah. So that's just not that would have a view. You would not pay that without a view. But then you don't get to see the sand. You probably to see the sand. You just get the the ocean. But you know, there's way better value than that along the north coast. Wow. Because really, you know, like we were at Old Bar that time. For $1 million you can buy a view at Old Bar. You know. Yeah, way closer to Sydney. We're almost on the Queensland border here. Yeah. Vegetation in this area is protected. Don't mess with the vegetation. Well, this path goes, I think it's going all the way to Kingscliff. Is that my bike making that noise?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a brush turkey. There he is. Hey mate. Hey, there he is. There he is. How you doing, mate? They're common as mud. Oh, brush turkey. Yep, gobble gobble. Outdoor showers. They're common at every beach. Well, that's the end of the Richie Rich houses. Yeah, they just ended. Oh, somebody's got a tennis court. Look at that. Crikey. They got an elevated tennis court. Okay. Mrs. EEV Vlog would be happy. Mrs. EEV Vlog is a competition tennis player. Don't take on Mrs. EEV Vlog. She is fierce.
In anything.
In anything, yeah. Well noted, Phil. And the path has suddenly become not as good. It's become old.
We probably crossed into...
we crossed councils, yeah. I think we just crossed council borders and they spend money differently. That's how it works. Yeah, we're just in the middle of it here. Wow. Scrub everywhere. Oh. Sorry. Came up on me. Oh, someone's coming through.
Thank you.
No worries. This land's just begging to be developed, Phil.
It is.
Yeah, it's begging for it.
Cost.
Yep. Wonder who owns it.
And then work the road today, isn't it?
Oh yeah, road's just there. There you go. So you can't see that. There's a road just 20 metres away. So yeah, you don't come along here for a coastal drive or for a coastal ride because, well, I can get glimpses of water through there, but it's a bit lackluster. Oh, here we are. We're coming to the bridge, are we? That goes over into Kingscliff. Yes. This is an inlet here, and yeah, we have to go over the bridge. Cool. Let's ride all the way into Kingscliff, yeah? Let's go all the way with LBJ. Got a stand-up kayak, what do you think, Phil? It's a bit too much effort, is it? Too much effort. Oh, he's going to jump, isn't he? I think they're going to jump. Oh. Sorry. Geez, look at the size of that thing. Wow, it's an enormous board. And this looks like a popular lunchtime spot. The kids can have a little wade. Heaps of shade trees here, Phil. We could come have a picnic lunch. What do you think? Yeah. Yep. Picnic lunch spot. All right. Looks popular though. Tidal, yeah. No doubt. Whew. Someone's setting up their hammock over there. And oh yeah, this looks very popular little tidal thing. You can wade out far, I'm sure. Nice. Some people are on the other side of the water over there. We'll be able to see that in a second. We'll here you go. Yeah, it looks like you might be able to easily walk from one side to the other over there. So I don't know, it looks like they got cars onto the point on the other side. That other side there looks popular, Phil. You could easily just swim across there though. Alright. Oh. Is this going to end? Oh no. No. So all these apartments, you get an yeah, you get an inlet view. You don't get a beach view. Yeah, I was going to say there's a nicer wind here. By that I mean less of it. There you go, yeah, that looks like a popular spot. Yeah, I need to fix these brakes. Here you go. And yeah, the inlet's up there. So yeah, definitely tidal. Wonder how far it goes out. We'll see. Now we're probably going to end maybe shortly. I'm not sure how much further this bike path's going to go once we get to the ocean up here. Probably get some beach up here with some actual views, I would suspect. There's a lot of cars here, so this is probably a beach car park, I would imagine. And
if it has an engine and 4 wheels,
this way. There
you go. Let's go and find the beach. It's up there somewhere. One of those big American things. Unbelievable. What is it? Is it a ram? Yeah, it's a ram. Stupid bloody things. Bloody Yanks. And yeah, we have a beach. And again, we are devoid of view.
How about this one?
Oh yeah, still got path here. And there you go, that's a little inlet for the kiddies. That's popular. It's nice. I like it. There you go. Everyone enjoying the holiday beach. Surf lesson, Phil. There you go. Yeah. There's just surfing lessons out there. Board hire and surfing lessons. Danger. Use of this breakwater is a high-risk activity. Great care should be taken. No swimming, no diving.
No swimming on the breakwater.
Right. So don't go on the end and dive off. That's what they're saying. Alright. Cool bananas.
Nice thing.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Goes all the way around. Check it out. And it just goes, yeah, right up to the next coast, and then up there'll be a beach to the next coast, and then just these curved beaches all the way along the New South Wales coast. Not often there's a part of the New South Wales coast that doesn't have beach. Down near Wollongong has a bunch of very high cliffs and stuff, but that's probably the only one I really know. Down towards Wollongong, there's some massive cliff faces on the coast.
That's where they put the driveway.
Yeah.
Scenic driveway.
Oh yeah. You do have a scenic driveway. No, but yep. But other than that, yeah, it's probably, I don't know, 95% beach all the way up New South Wales coast. All right. You want to go up there or?
Yeah, let's go.
Yep. All right. Yep. Oh, really?
No, it's closed. Yeah.
Excuse me. Thank you. No worries. They found a spot. Oh, lucky. Fishing. There you go. For those for the fish aficionados, there you go. Legal bag and size limits for saltwater species. Hopefully you're getting that. So swordfish, spearfish, snapper. It's a very popular eating fish, the snapper. Prawns, and it's got everything. Yeah, sharks, bluefin tuna, white shark, and yep, wow, a whole bunch. Oh, threatened and protected. Yeah, so don't go eating your white shark, please. So there you go. Tons of good fish in here, Phil. Yeah, same here. Not really into fishing. My dad did take me a couple of times when I was a kid, but never really into it. All right, more bike path. Let's go. No. There's a dunny block there, as we call it. Toilet block here is a dunny block. Somehow I think we're going to get path all the way.
I think so.
Yep.
The way it's in at least.
Yeah. Just see that in Kingscliff shops there's a place called Worst Burger.
What you do, like?
I must have a Worst Burger. That is the name of the joint, Worst Burger. And it was packed. I've got to get one. Beach erosion.
Mullet was down at Casuarina.
Oh, was it?
3 o'clock yesterday afternoon.
Stunned Mullet.
Stunned Mullet Cafe.
The Stunned Mullet Cafe. Good Aussie term.
Yeah.
Stunned Mullet.
I reckon that's a good late lunch spot.
Yeah. Oh, we got some shops here. So this is Kingscliff Beach. That's it.
Medic, chemist, tattoos.
Yep.
Cafe.
Oh, a tattoo place? Yeah, want to get a tattoo, Phil?
Leave an attitude.
If I was to get a tattoo, I'd get something useful like Adam Savage's ruler, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, totally.
Calibrate every 20 years.
Yeah, calibrate every 20 years. Stretch the skin. or compress it.
Yeah. Make it tough.
Yeah. Oh, okay, we're blocked by toll. Let's go around. Got an information centre. How to not kill yourself at the beach. How to not get eaten by a great white shark. How to not get landed on by a drop bear. All the essential.
What are you talking about that? This isn't something that don't teach you that. You learn by experience.
Yeah, you learn by experience. I heard there's a new government campaign to stamp out drop bear attacks. So,
what?
Yeah, government funding, dude.
No way.
Yeah. Lest we forget. There you go.
Kids gonna learn.
There's a war memorial. Rowan Robertson Park. There you go. There's a digger. Rowan Robertson. He died in Afghanistan in 2011. Sad. Geez, so spent some coin on this place.
Yeah.
Let's go out there. Is that a path along the top? Maybe not. Might go a little way.
That might be our original path.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, there we go, people. Ta-da! There you have it. There's Kingscliff Beach. Once again, surf lifesaving between the flags there, and goes all the way around the coast. Oh, they got lounge chairs here.
Finally got beach views.
Yeah, beach views, finally. Only took us 20 minutes to get beach views. But I'm enjoying this, it's good. But as I said, seen way better than this. I know there's a lot of people overseas thinking, oh, this is paradise. And it is. But Australia has even better paradise. And there's a camping thing. So bring your tent, get a spot. They're all powered, yeah. Powered spots, and you get your water. So you get your water and your power. Nice. Camping's crowded. Yeah. It took us twice as long to get up the coast from Sydney because we left on what, the Saturday the 28th we left.
Day after Boxing Day.
Day after Boxing Day. Yeah, because everyone spends the beach in Sydney, you know, Boxing Day and yeah.
And then
Christmas and Boxing Day, and then they all travel north. Maybe a quarter head south for
yeah,
maybe. Oh, look at these! You can rent these little beach hut things. That's
Yes.
yeah, they're pretty cute. I don't mind that at all. You can probably buy them and own them and Airbnb them, but yeah. Yeah. But that'd all be a strata title, or company title, or whatever it'd all be. So you might have to
If you could, yeah.
rent it out through them, or their preferred outlet. Oh,
He's one from dinner spot.
here's dinner, you reckon?
Yep. No, this is where we were last night.
Oh, this is the back of the bolo. Ah, we parked out the front. I didn't. Yeah, so I didn't recognise the parking spot.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, this is the bowling club.
Polo.
Kingscliff Bolo. They had decent food. That was all right. Didn't mind it for a bolo. I was pretty impressed actually. I think we're going to run out of. Oh, there's There's a lizard. Go, go fella, go. Oh, there's a bigger one. Hang on, I'll show you the lizard. For you, there you go. Whoop. Oh, sorry fella, don't want to disturb you. But, oh, there he goes. No, he's off. All right. Sorry, dude. He's just sunning himself. Is our path ended? End of the road. We're going back. Yeah, well, we can go up here. Yeah. Oh, path. Yes, there is. I'm getting a drink. Nice little mural on the side there. Big wave. Very post-apocalyptic.